Hey, I'm Fish. Super night. Yeah. Now that means I'm on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I want to talk about, and I'm thinking about out loud, my thoughts out loud of the Insta360 Go Ultra. And yeah, it's small, compact. It's got two types of shutter record buttons. One on the actual camera's base and one on the camera. So if you take it out of the pod and you want to hit the record button, it's feather touch. So if you got wet fingers, will it work? If you dunk the camera in water, come out, hit the stop, will it work? How easy it is to hit the record button on it and get it to work. Is it a push button or not? That I don't know. So that's why I'm calling it a feather touch button. Another thing I want to know is if it's completely in the off stage and you take the camera and you hit the record, how fast does it come on? Nobody's showing that. As well as in the pod, how fast does it come on? Is it like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the 4 when you turn it on for the first time, it takes 8 seconds, and then when it's off after that for up to 8 hours, it takes a split 1.2 seconds to go to record? If so, that beats the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and that's where I would want to get one. But what stops me is the third thing is it's a larger sensor. People are saying now the 30 cm focal range has increased to like 35, 40. It becomes longer, the focus range, so you got to hold the camera out a lot further to get a focus shot. Anything close up will be blurry. To me, that's not what I want. Why can't they put a little Doppler on the lens to make it that near vision? Well, that's my thoughts out loud, my video for now, talking about the Insta360. You gotta go Ultra.